Hi to everyone, my name is Catherine Medina and today I'm going to give you 30 sentences about comparative, superlative and equative sentences. The topic that corresponds to me is computers. So let's start with the first 10 sentences, but beginning with comparatives. Okay, a desktop PC is cheaper than a laptop. A laptop is smaller than a desktop PC. A cell phone is more portable than a desktop PC. Quantum computers are worse than conventional computers. Windows 11 is more advanced than Windows 10. Computers are more recommended than other devices for a particular job or purpose. Laptops are lighter than desktop computers. Liquid metal heats up more than thermal paste. The RTX 30 and 90 graphics card is more expensive than the RX 6900 XT graphics card. People read 10% slower on a screen than in a book. And then we have superlative sentences. Windows is the most useful operating system to crack software illegally. Windows is the most comfortable to search information. AMD production is the best because they used advanced technology. The battery of a laptop is the least durable. Some laptops are the least fast. Desktop computers have the highest frequency. Computers are the most versatile to doing many tasks. The Antikythera mechanism is the oldest mechanical computer in the world. ENIAC is the most fragile mechanical computer. The Chernobyl virus is the most infectious ever created. And finally, equative sentences. Maya software is as interesting as Blender software. Monitors are as bigger as some TV screens. Computers' component lights are as useless as wallpapers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a password as common as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 around the world. Computers are as intuitive as cell phones. Computers are as advantageous as USBs to keep information. A computer from the 90s is as fascinating as one from now. The keyboard of a computer is as similar as a typewriter. Computers are as practical for virtual classes as blackboards. And a computer is as powerful as the human brain. And that is all.